Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can send disappearing photos or videos on WhatsApp. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up WhatsApp on your device. After the chat space of WhatsApp opens up on your screen, choose a chat to whom you want to send a disappearing photo or video to. After you choose a chat, click on this camera option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the camera option, you'll be guided to another page. Now you can just click a picture and then click on this seconds or number on the add a caption tab. Now after you click on that tab, the disappearing effect has been added. Now once the person whom you send the photo or video to sees the message, it will disappear once they see it. I hope this video helped you to send disappearing photos or videos on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.